The hantavirus is not a new virus. It's not like COVID. I am painfully aware, honorable members, that the members of the public are very worried because they are thinking of the scary days of COVID virus.
Lo muntu olashwa eGoli uyingxenye yabantu ababesemkhumbini wezokungcebeleka owawuseCape Verde usuka eArgentina. Kwabahaqwa yileli gciwane kwashona abantu abathathu abashonela eindaweni ezehlukene. Manje ke amalungu eParliament afuna ukwazi ukuthi kuza kanjani ukuthi lo muntu egcine eselashelwa lapha eNingizimu Afrika.
How was that allowed to come through without being detected? I mean, land in Kempton Park.
We are worried that African states are still recipients rather than architects of outbreak response systems.
Umnyango wezempilo uthi lona owesilisa wase-UK ohaqwe yileli gciwane undiziswe ngendiza esuka esiqhingini walaliswa esibhedlela esiseGoli engumuntu obenezimpawu zomkhuhlane, hayi i-hantavirus. Kodwa ke kuthe uma kwenziwa ucwaningo kwatholakala eseseGoli ukuthi unaleli gciwane.
I received an email from an infectious diseases colleague in the UK late on Friday, the first, a public holiday. I called him and he said he alerted me to patient 3 who was admitted to a hospital in Johannesburg as a pneumonia. He's an older patient, he's diabetic, he's morbidly obese. None of that is unexpected for him to have a pneumonia. But the pieces came together extremely quickly. And within 12 hours, we had an international call and we had a number of players discussing this.
Omunye owesifazane oshonile kuthiwa yena ubengumuntu obegoduka elibangise kwela kubo ezogibela indiza eOR Tambo wase eyaquleka washona. Ukuthi ubulawe yi-hantavirus kutholakale emva kokuhlolwa kwegazi.
She was flown to OR Tambo International Airport en route to Netherlands. She was not visiting South Africa. She was using the what you call OR Tambo as a transit route. But when she arrived there, she fell sick and she collapsed at the airport.
Ngokomnyango wezempilo, umshwalense wezokuvakasha unxuse iNingizimu Afrika ukuba ilekelele njengoba lo mkhumbi ubuhamba eindaweni eziyiziqhingi obekungelula ukuthola usizo lwezempilo kuzo. Ngakho ke lelizwe bekuyilona ebeliseduze ukuba lingalekelela.
As part of a WHO member state, South Africa submits itself every 5 years to a joint external evaluation led by the WHO. We put ourselves in the foot of someone who, in the shoes of someone who has fallen ill, and what the worst that is suspected at that moment is that the person has pneumonia. It's older people with comorbidities. How do you refuse them to come in? How do you say we're going to wait for a few days for lab results to come out before they are transported?
Kusenjalo izwe iSwitzerland seliqinisekisile ukuthi kunomuntu oyedwa osehaqwe lesi sifo okhishwe kuwo lo mkhumbi abebewugibele nokumanje usendleleni egodukayo yokubuyela emuva.